Greetings in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty, Emperor Haile Selassie I first. You see it. First, I must offer my heartfelt condolences to the family of the Mona Common murder, double murder of the two sisters. You understand? For us two brothers, I know it to the heart, wrenching, worse two sisters, possibly two mothers. Well, we have to address where them things stem from, where I think. You understand what I say? It's just like how we know say Shibada go around the road. We have whole heap of Shibada, same way, we're flamboyant and vocal and open in the public. How could I identify? So it's them youth there. He might give him gear. He might go be gear. We know that. Right now we get to this. So we born and grew up next to whole heap of them. Round the road, up the road, down the road, wherever. You get what I say? Can't name a few in my ear. I'm not going to bother with that. You know, see? Well, just check the quota of that. How much youth, you see, look like that in your community. Now, given the facts that Jamaica is a homophobic society then. You get what I say? As you for want of a lesser word, Jamaica is a homophobic society. Just imagine the amount of youth where they were suppress them gayness because them no want look uncool. Them no want get left out, stereotyped, ostracized. You get what I say? Just imagine. You get what I say? So enough of them youth just suppress them feelings until it becomes a mental illness for real, you know. You know, see. Yeah, and when that becomes a mental illness, so for them youth become some serious bloodlust killers. You know, see. And enough of the time, some of the main target are going to be women. You understand? Because women can live the life with them dream to live. So woman is like the obstacle in them way in a sense. You understand what I say? It's like a must so. Enough of them youth are we kill off the woman, them a Jamaica, them a suppress some sick desire, some sickness. You understand? Me know them have some sick desire for bloodlust. You get what I say? Back in the day, I never saw gangster used to deal with them things. Gangster used to select, gangster used to have modus operandi, you know. You get what I say? You used to have codes, you used to have principles, moral standards. But man abide by. You get what I say? No raping. No man no want to go to jail for rape. You know, see? Certain competitive in and them things that no man frowns upon, people frowns upon that because the wider part of the community, which is the younger people, them where come up, the old women, them in between and the older people, them, yeah? Them frown upon them things that even if you don't see them a frown, even if you see them teeth like them a smile, when it's a go on, them heart a break inside because them a wonder when for them time next. And that's what I say, the quickest chance them get to sell you out there, gonna do it. Or the quickest chance them get for see you go down, them a go watch you go down. Them now go help out. You understand what I say? Them little thing them and them little thing they are psychosis, I think. You get what I say? We used to know say if a youth sick in your head like that, man, we don't want him to do certain little thing. You get what I say? Cause again, standard have to be maintained. You get what I say? We know say a man's action have repercussion. And the repercussion usually come back, bounce back upon the family, which is usually, if I'm a part of a gang, and the gang first. You know, see. But nowadays it's like everything is acceptable, Rasta. Because again, you know, so the same woman them where down there and there with a man where kill a woman or them type of thing, the Rasta. Uno wrong, uno have to look in on himself. You know, see, no matter what I go on, I have to die upon the feet rather than just live upon the knee. You know, see, you can't make some boy go around and go on with them thing there on her arms and glove them up. See me, I mean, no, in our heart, you don't love them thing there. Me, no, in a human psychology, it's the natural way of things. You get what I say? You don't like them type of thing that women, old men, younger youths, we come up, under 16, under 14, and them, you don't like them thing there. You know, see, to enough to live with them thing that stop make them think that happening in our society. Stop make them element that exist in our society and live there with them like an idiot. Them think they're nastiness. You know, see, some sick-minded people, literally sick people we need to go. And not every madman wear dirty clothes, you know. That are one next thing I want Jamaica for know. You don't see no madman in England with dirty clothes, you know, yet one of the biggest argument on the news every day is mental illness. You understand what I say? Mental illness. You get what I say? So you can't accept certain things and think it as the norm because it's a reflection of the society, the wider society. And I them think they make things tough because people, it's a point of them point of duty for see Jamaica fail. You know, see, me telling you that. Watch and see. We can't uphold them, we can't harbor them type of thing there. You know, see, you have to make the sacrifice, Rasta, and know, say, boy, what's a man I come put a help, where am I come do? Put a $500 in your pocket, but one to 10 people where him kid. You never know. Each one of them could have probably have a grand figure at the same time they when them give $500. Just a scenario, me I try. You get me, I shall use reference. Me not say a $500 you get. 50 grand then. 100 grand. You know, see it. Regardless, you understand what I say? Humanity needs saving, you know. Humanity needs direction. You never know if a man they want to mess up. They don't come up with a simple idea where they don't help the whole community. You understand? The whole way of charge and answer to all of them, but them things that are necessary. Especially you can't just do it like a style. You know, see, the conscience not in it again. The man them create a narrative and a belief like so well then the wickeder you be, the more adorable you is, the more acceptable you is, the more you know me I say, oh, that and so them thing that go. You know, see, that's why I respect some DJ boy. I'm not too say nothing when them are dead off because them don't know them are do with them potential, them don't know them are do with them ability. You know, see, them want to lead and them still a follow. You know, see, them things that don't exist. Them things that it's like so well then, I don't know. You know, see, I mean, I got to go on with this, you know, because my heart a bleed. I hear that thing when I keep up, you know, can't kill off the woman them for start watch, you know, and in the farm, you know. Young youth, that me mean when me say, you know, to live with them thing, the old people. You for start, nobody now know say you know do it in a one, two of them now bring nothing come good, them now do nothing for no. You know see it, I could have your friend son. Him a pussy, if I didn't go kill that woman there up the road, I go kill that man there around so and I mean go, you know, them thing that you know for accept them thing that them for have a threat. Oh, them for see consequence and only supposed to set up consequences for them. More blessed. Share, like, and subscribe. No gunman, no bad man that they are Jamaica again. Me not respect them there. Me not rate them there. You know see it? One life the whole we have. You know see it? More blessed.